Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing some of the clothes I have ordered online that are now in my closets, and I will share my honest review from quality and fit, whether or not they were worth buying and whether I would recommend them or not. Plus I will be sharing the price of each outfit on the screen, and you can find all the links in the description, so stick around to see it all. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with this party dress. I have ordered it from Meso एंड मैंने अपने बर्थडे से पहले इसे ऑर्डर किया था, बर्थडे के लिए स्पेसिफिकली नहीं, बट बाद में सोचा क्यों ना इसे अपने बर्थडे पर पहन लूँ, तो मैंने इसे अपने बर्थडे पर पहना तो और मैंने इसे सिर्फ एक बार पहना और एंड ऑनेस्टली आई फील अमेजिंग. द फिट वाज ट्रू टू साइज. द क्वालिटी इज आउटस्टैंडिंग स्पेशली फॉर दिस प्राइस रेंज. इट्स मटेरियल इज सो गुड. एंड अगर आपको इस तरह की पार्टी ड्रेस डे या एनी ओकेजन पर पहनने के लिए इतने कम प्राइस में मिली तो व्हाई नॉट ग्रैब इट. ये मेरे बर्थडे की फोटो है जिसमें मैंने ये ड्रेस पहनी थी जो स्क्रीन पर दिखाई गई है. एंड गाइस आई हाईली रिकमेंड दिस ड्रेस. नेक्स्ट ऑफ आई हैव दिस लेदर जैकेट. आई ऑर्डर इट फ्रॉम अर्बनिक and to be honest I'm very much impressed with the quality. The leather finish is smooth with a slight shiny texture and it has this bell. It lets you to adjust the fit and makes you even look more cool. To be honest, I don't have any complaint about this dress. Winter में पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और इसका ये जो चेन है इसको पूरी तरह बंद करने से हवा नहीं घुसता. The first time I wore this jacket was on my trip to Shillong. ये मेरी फोटो है जिसमें मैंने ये जैकेट पहनी थी शिलोंग ट्रिप पर. इसे मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ 2 बार पहना है एंड बेस्ड ऑन माई एक्सपीरियंस द क्वालिटी इज ग्रेट. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस लेदर जैकेट इज समवेयर ऑन द राइट ऑन योर स्क्रीन. एंड गाइस इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर अ लेदर जैकेट देन you can go for it. The next I got this full sleeve t-shirt that I ordered from Meso, and this is how it looks on me. And honestly I love the quality. The material is comfy, cool and it's soft. I really like the material. It's super comfy and the quality is also very good, and it's also stretchy and it's exactly as shown in the picture, and highly recommend to anyone looking for comfy. Yeah, that's all about this. Next is this t-shirt. This t-shirt is quite similar to the previous t-shirt that I showed to you, and this one is also from Meso, and I really like this print, the design of this t-shirt. It really gives off those cool vibes. Now let's talk about the quality. It is really good. The material is really soft and it is stretchy, and it is also the same as shown in the picture. Its color and its print is same as shown in the picture. और मुझे इसे पहनने का मौका नहीं मिला अभी तक. ये मेरे वार्डरोब में रखा हुआ है. The fabric has the perfect thickness, not too thick, not too thin, and the same goes for the previous t-shirt that I saw you. And guys, if you're looking for a good quality basic on a budget, then I would definitely recommend this t-shirt. So the next is this skirt. I ordered it from Meesho and this is how it looks on me. So considering the price that I paid for this skirt, it is okay. So based on the first impression, I'm not so super impressed, and this skirt doesn't really meet my expectation. But the color and its material, which is quite thick, so considering the price, it's not worth either. And it comes with this bell. And अच्छा है कि हमें डेनिम स्कर्ट इतने कम दाम में मिला. ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. So guys, आज से पहली बार मैंने इसे पहना तो मैं सीधा नहीं बोल सकती कि ये ड्रेस मतलब ये स्कर्ट खराब है. So आप इसे अलग अलग स्टाइल में स्टाइल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप लोग को पता है ना गाइस कि स्टाइलिंग करना और बस पहनने में फ़र्क है. स्टाइल करने से ही अच्छा दिखता है. एंड या गाइस यू कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई, क्योंकि आप लोग को अच्छा भी लग सकता है. बस इसको लेके मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन थोड़ा ज़्यादा था, लेकिन गाइस याद रखना मैंने जो बोला, and overall सब कुछ ठीक ही है. I don't have any major complaint about this skirt. So let's talk about this leg warmer. I ordered it from Amazon. So let's talk about its quality. I love its softness, and the material is also thick and it's also stretchy. They are stretchy enough to fit comfortably without slipping down. I have never tried this on before, but this is my first time wearing it for this video. So it will definitely keep my legs warm in colder weather, and the quality is fantastic. I definitely suggest it for both chic looks and to keep your leg cozy. So the next is this. It's a sleeveless floral print. I ordered it from Meso, and I really like the design here, the flower print. It's really cute, and isn't it just so pretty? And it has this fresh summery vibes that instantly caught my eye, so I ordered it. and I think I have only worn it twice. So based on my experience, it is very comfortable, especially for summer. And I usually find this kind of dress with a similar design. Let me show you guys on the back here. Sometimes I feel this kind of dress a little itchy, but this dress is really smooth and comfortable. So yeah, it's perfectly fine. So if you're looking for something like this, so go for it. So now here it is the bag I ordered from Meesho again, and to be honest, the quality is a lot better than what I expected, and I really love its quality considering the price I paid for it. And if I were to go to a physical store or a mall to buy a bag like this, I would probably end up paying a lot more, maybe a double price, and it's perfect for everyday use. I used this a couple of times, and this bag made 3 chain hai here and here, as you can see here guys. और इसमें हम हमारे कुछ ज़रूरत का सामान आराम से डाल सकते हैं. Overall, I'm very happy with this bag, and if you're looking for a good quality bag at an affordable price, then I recommend this one. Alright, that's for today. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure to hit that bell icon. And until then, bye bye, take care.